Hi, Puck.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good to see you again.
Oh, yes, you too.
Yes. So what do you got in your hand?
Food.
Oh, I thought I wasn't very good with food.
Well, yeah, I know. So let me take it back.
But they said you wouldn't let me ever take it back.
No, I want to take it back. Come on.
Oh.
There we go.
So shouldn't I be biting you or something?
Oh, yep, you should, but you're not.
But I'm not. That's weird. Gosh. Want to try it again?
Well, we can. Oh,
Okay.
no, now I want it back.
Well, here,
No,
you
no,
can
no.
have it.
No.
As long as it's not in my esophagus.
No.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, so I guess I'm not that bad.
I don't know.
Well,
Guess that.
I guess we'll...
Maybe the treat wasn't good enough.
Okay,
You want a
let's
bowl?
try this one. This
No
is a
one
fun
else
game.
liked these.
Here.
See?
See, so...
Ooh, I'll even tease you.
Oh.
Okay.
So that was pretty good, huh?
Well,
Contrary to popular belief.
yeah, it was kind of good.
Yeah.
Okay. Well.
All right, so that's that.
That is that. So how you doing?
And I'm a really cool boy.
You are.
So I don't really get it, but here's to bigger and better, right?
Bigger and better. On we go.
On we go.
That's what we say here.
On we go.
Yep. Okay, well, you're a good boy. We'll see you later.
Time you to home.
Okay, bye-bye.